Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today, going to show you today's install, which is on a Jaguar with the original Bose setup. As you can see, this is the original menu of the car, and we're going to go over to the aftermarket side, which is, I think it's a menu button. There you go. So this is the aftermarket side, which has got your wireless Apple CarPlay, it's got your Android Auto, screen mirroring, USB media, which obviously you can plug things into a cable that comes with it. So for the purpose of the video today, we've already set up the Android Auto, which is with the customer's phone, which is, as you can see, it's a wireless connection, and this obviously gives you wireless Android Auto. And if you're accustomed with Android Auto, you'll see that your apps are on there. It's all fully touchscreen, and brings all your apps, tab music, YouTube music, Google Maps, etc., stuff like that. So I'll just keep it short today, guys. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout, or check our contact details in the description down below, or drop us a message. Cheers, thanks very much, take care.